Nessa Sunshine here, and we're getting into this eye look. This is kind of a mixture of two different videos that I'm going to separate. One is really focusing on the eyes, which is this tutorial today, and then one is focusing on the other part of the face, which is Boxy Charm, sort of first impression tutorial that I got to do. That's that. Let's get into the Los Angeles tutorial. We're gonna get into the NUDIE Patootie Palette. So Laura Lee contacted me. What? She contacted me and I was so surprised, and I was very grateful that she wanted to send me her palette. Laura Lee Los Angeles is her brand, and Laura Lee is the woman behind the brand. I'm gonna go into that color Bear. This is my BH Cosmetics favorite brush, number 12 blending brush, into Bear. I'm patting it on the outer corner of the eyelid, and boy, it's pigmented. So I'm gonna blend up around this area. I'm just blending all around. So that's all over the lid. Now, I'm gonna take my next favorite sort of blending brush, which is the more precise brush in the Morphe Eyecredible, and I'm gonna take it into Butt Naked. I'm just packing it, I'm not blending. Packing it all on the outer corner, bringing it up. Now that I've patted it up into that area, take it straight into that Butt Naked shade. Start to, right where I've met up here with the eyeshadow that I patted on, I'm starting to blend it in circular motions above the crease. This eyeshadow blends out really nice. Now I'm just doing swiper motions and blending that top part. Go back into my BH number 12 blending brush, buff this area, swiping back and forth, blending up in circular motion, and I'll do that on the other side. Now that I have an eyeshadow on both sides, I went ahead and I checked both sides even, kind of not. I want to go ahead and blend this area. So this is your turn to check to see, are your sides even? We're gonna add some shimmer. Shimmer. So I'm gonna use both of these, Topless and Jaybird. I don't even know what Jaybird is referring to. Taking some Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, cut the crease. I start by opening my eyes and then putting the area of the crease that I want, so I've got it there. Cutting the crease. Cut. If you cut your crease many times, then this is gonna be fast. If you have not cut your crease many times, take your time, be patient. Patience is a virtue. Cut the other side, doing that precision work. I'm gonna go into Topless. Whoa. Place it on the inner corner area. Bring that all over the lid, up into the crease. I'm gonna take my finger into Jaybird. This is like a duochrome. It looks kind of like bronzy gold, brassy, and then a pink. So I'm just patting Jaybird on the outer center of my eyelid, the mobile eyelid to be precise. Take that BH blending brush, blend that eyeshadow back and forth. This is one of the things from the Boxy Charm. It's the Pretty Vulgar gel eyeliner. Just adding the liner, get that wing on there. Okay, and I'm just gonna fill in that area there. I'm gonna add the wing on the other side, lashes, foundation, and concealer. Then I'll be right back. So woo! Let's finish off the eyes with the NUDIE Patootie Palette. I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills number 20 flat brush into the shade Bear, placing that on the lower part of the lash line. This is also a Morphe Eyecredible blending brush. Take that into that shade Bear, blend it all underneath here. Now I'm going to go in with another brush from that Morphe Eyecredible set. It really is Eyecredible. I'm going to start placing that in the inner corner of the eye, just to give a brightening and fantastic inner highlight. Back into that Topless shade, and I'm placing it here on the inner corner of the lower lash line. That sets the eyeshadow for the NUDIE Patootie Palette. Just gonna add some mascara. This is the Benefit They Are Real, and I'll go ahead and finish the rest of my face. Ooh, so here we go with the Boxy Charm stuff on my face that is in the other video. I've taken away the lip for that one, and I'm going to change it. This is my NABLA Velvet line in Closer. Line those lips. It's kind of like the same color, so it's pointless. Okie dokie. Take the new ABH matte lipstick, and this is in Soft Touch, and put that on. Add this Lovelicious volume gloss. Pop that right on top. That's the lip color that I'm gonna go for. If you got this palette, let me know, and I'll do more tutorials if you want, because this is a really pretty palette and I'd like to work with it more. So that is the finished eyeshadow tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, make sure to thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram at NessaSunshine_. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Bye now!